Hey guys, my name is Selena. But I wanted to make a quick video about the GigWalk app. Um, um, you have to be 18 years or older to use the app. You don't necessarily have to have a car, but if you want to make more money, you definitely want to have a car. Like for example, uh, actually just downloaded this app, like 3 days ago. And today was my first day using the app. He agreed, he followed me around. I picked up 4 gigs. They were all the same job and they were paying $8. So like this app has multiple different jobs. From audits to by by you buying a product and mystery shopping and I don't know, like all this stuff. Um, but like my job was to audit a funeral home. And each job paid $8. So I picked up 4 jobs. So $8, that's $30. So yeah, I dropped my daughter off at like noon, and then from there we went, and I stopped at 4 different funeral homes, and they had specific questions they wanted you to ask them. They wanted me to get their pricings and take photos of their general price lists, that just charges these funerals homes are charging, and they want to make sure they're charging people accurate prices and things like that. um and it was fairly easy. Like I just walked in. You don't want to like tell them that's what you're there to do, but like I just walked in. I was like, hi, like I'm just looking for a general price list. I asked the other questions, and then I left. Each job probably took me like 5 minutes or less. It says on the app it could range from a half an hour, like up to a half an hour. But no, mine took about 5 minutes. So like in the app, you can leave a comments. So I added comments like, this place had great customer service, or this place didn't, or if like one of them I didn't answer one of the questions, so I left in the comment like, hey, this person didn't answer the question. She said she didn't know. But yeah, so it worked out. It was really fun. Anyways, I got coffee. Each job was actually like 2 or 3 miles from my house. So I didn't have to go far. Um, so that was really awesome. So like I said, like I didn't even have to necessarily have a car to do those jobs. I could have took a walk, but it would took me a lot longer. Um, and I'm lazy now. Once you get a car, you're just like lazy, you can't go anywhere. Like I had to drive to my mailbox. Like it's awful. But yeah. Uh, so yeah, I would definitely recommend this app to anybody that's looking for some extra money and don't mind getting out of the house on their spare time and doing this. Like it's not that bad. You can do it whenever you want. Like the cool thing is about this app is I have another app that I side hustle from. It's called Field Agent, which I can talk about in another video. But the only thing that I would like more about the gig walk is that like when you accept a job, you can like reserve it basically, and other people can't snatch it up. But when you reserve the job, they'll ask you like, oh, will you finish this job in like 12 hours or 24 hours? So I always did 24 hours because like I'm not gonna do it until like tomorrow, or I don't, maybe you can't do it and then you have to wait till tomorrow. So that's what I did, and I put, I'll get it done within 24 hours. In Field Agent, it's not like that. Like once you accept it, the timer starts and you have to get it done in like 2 minutes. So basically, you have to like go there, unless I don't know how to use it right. But that's another app. And then like one more thing, I guess, would be like with GigWalk, for example. Like this is my first time using it. I did 4 gigs. you submit it, you put in all the information, you take your photos, you submit that thing, and then someone reviews it before you get paid, so it's not like instant. So they reviewed it, and then I actually got 2 of my gigs got kind of like declined. They reopened it as a gig that I need to finish, and they left comments on what I needed to fix, and they gave me 24 hours to fix that. So I already fixed one of them, but the other one I actually had to call the place and double check, and then I can resubmit it. But like this morning I did it. It was at like noon. I finished at like 2:30. And then when I got home from work at like 11 o'clock, well, when I was at work, around 9 or 8 o'clock at night, I was getting notifications of them getting reviewed and they got accepted. Besides like the 2, but I fixed them. But altogether, I'm gonna make like $30 off just these 4 things that took me like, I don't know, 2 hours, maybe less. Because like in between, I went home and I had lunch and then I went back out. And then I'm trying to think. I feel like I'm gonna forget something. GigWalk. What else? Payment. How you get paid with GigWalk. So GigWalk pays you through PayPal. You connect your PayPal account, or you can just sign up. It's free. PayPal doesn't pay it. You don't have to charge for PayPal, or no sign up fees. So either way, just sign up for PayPal, connect your account. But on the GigWalk website, it says once you submit your gig, they will pay you within 5 business days from when you did your job. So basically, they'll pay you weekly. Like, I mean, it could take 2 business days, 2 days from. But I think it's more so when they review it. Mine got reviewed very fast, and it said like my money will be deposited within like 24 to 48 hours. So I mean, you can get paid daily. Like, I think it just really depends. But you know, you can shoot for weekly, whatever. And then it also, like with PayPal, you can have a PayPal account, and then you can like order your PayPal like debit card, so that way you don't have to transfer your money from PayPal to like your bank account. You can just use your PayPal debit card. But yeah, so yeah, I hope that helps, and I hope that helps you download GigWalk. I'm not getting nothing from it. I just think it's a good app, and I wanted to share my thoughts on it. I see everybody else out here sharing their thoughts on apps and whatever they want, so I figured I'd hop in on it. But yeah, go ahead, download the app, and I'll put a link to it in the description. You can download it, obviously, on your phone. But I think I can like get it on my computer too, but that's not really like. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. I wanted to say too, with GigWalk, when it shows the location, you can actually hit the map and it will take you straight to Google Maps, and you can GPS your way there in like a second. It's not hard at all. You don't have to copy paste the address. You just hit it and it just pulls up the GPS, and that's it. It's great. I love it. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.